Hey, good morning, guys. We are live. Angia, good morning. Tris in the house, how you doing? Just got to get caught up on our financial juice here. Looks like we had the U.S. trade balance this morning, and that looks like about it on the schedule. I see something about Trump there. Did I see? Oh, I saw something about Trump. Yeah, Trump attends NATO dinner at noon. Okay. Not too much going on anyways. Pulling back a little bit here. We got a bullish fair value gap down here at the 29,620 area. I heard a boop noise. You know what that means?
Doesn't mean nothing good. Nothing good at all.
I don't agree.
Get my ugly mug up on your stream. You're gonna start losing followers.
Ukraine drones have struck 2 more Russian Shadow Fleet fuel tankers.
All right. That's some news.
That was at 9:22. So we're below the VWAP, overnight VWAP. We're kind of been playing around in these. We should check out these 1 hour time frames here. Yeah, it looks like we've inverted this. Double inverted this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So that one is now, these two are now mitigated and gone. We have a 1 hour above. And we have a naked point of control below down at 29,474.
You Canadians and your nudity.
What happened?
You Canadians and your nudity.
I'm like, what? Oh yeah, the naked point of control.
I was referring to the fact that you're probably not wearing pants again.
Oh, I guess we'll never know. Guess we'll never know.
On that note, I'm gonna go refresh my coffee. I'm out of here.
Sounds good. Sounds good. So it looks like we're starting to get choppy here. Like we had this crazy move down yesterday, and now we're chopping around here pre-market, close to the open. This always seems to happen, hey guys, where we'll have like a really clean open at the New York or clean New York sessions, and then the Asia sessions just suck. And then now we got, again, nice push down here on Asia, and then just sideways through London, and I guess we'll see what happens on New York. I am feeling a little bit bearish here, but we'll have to see how this starts showing up here on the open. But I hope we don't just push straight down right now, because I do want to see this POC here taken, but it looks like we want to just roll straight over. What is RCM TIPP Economic Optimism Index from US? IV PMI is IV PMI is from Canada. Trump met with the Turkey's president. Farage to resign as MP. Oh, that's a UK guy. What are you guys thinking? Are you guys looking bullish, bearish? What's your bias today, guys? I'm gonna throw up a quick poll here. We have what? No, we don't have any time actually. We got like 1 minute.
Now is not the time for polls.
I know it's a little too close to the open here.
Yeah. Don't start getting crazy there.
So we do have this bearish fair value gap above. We have a 1 hour bullish fair value gap below. We have naked point of control below. Our PLC was tapped into last night after Asia opened, and we got the bell.
Market's open.
Whoa, what a move, eh? Jeez.
That was a bit of a move.
Nice. I just made 140 bucks.
Nice.
I went short.
Look at you scalping the open.
Yeah. Well, we tapped into that bearish fair value gap that I was just talking about. And yeah, I went short. I added one to it as it was pulling back lower, and then I closed both around 29.60, 614 area, 614 and 612. Because I feel like we're probably going to pump a bit more here still, so I just wanted to get out of that quick. ES is looking pretty strong at the moment, hey?
ES is looking strong. NQ looks like it's pulling down.
YM is also, I mean, YM is in a bullish trend, but it's pulling back at the moment also.
Oh, ES is pulling back as well.
Oh yeah, I see that now. It's a value area high there at 75.85, pulling below that. I guess because the other two are heavy.
So you think today's going to be an inside day?
I don't know. I feel like we're about to take the pre-market lows there. We almost did there.
Yeah, it threatened the Asia low. It's down below the London low right now.
There we go. Just took the very low of the London there. Where's that London? This was Asia.
Asia.
That was Asia. Yeah. We got orders down there at 550. Coulda, shoulda, woulda held on to that one longer, but not gonna complain.
Nah, you're green for the day. Don't complain about that.
Wow, right through the 550s. 199 contracts there.
Wow.
Jeez, there's the naked point of control. Definitely seems like it's gonna happen here. 475. I mean, maybe not on this candle, but you never know. Hey, it's good morning. Skeletor went for a jog this morning. Wow.
Mr. Healthy over there.
I made $100 last night in my Lucid Pro account, and I also made 209 in my Top on Futures account last night, and then now 140 in this Flex account.
I'm assuming you have the 5 maximum Lucid accounts.
I have 3.
3.
I have 3 right now. Yeah, 2 Flexes and 1 Pro. What about my TPT accounts? TPT's empty so far. No trades.
Today I'm only trading 10 accounts. One of them is an eval. No, 2 of them are evals. Two evals, 1 cash account, and 7 funded accounts today. So
Ooh, we just had the VWAP there. A bit of a bearish reaction off of it.
yeah, a little bit.
I feel like it's pretty hard to short it here though.
Yeah.
Gonna need to see a little bit more than that. $20 points though. Right there. 40 points, 50 points, 60 points. Jeez.
It's just gonna keep on going.
Yeah.
I'm hoping. All right, my short is working out for me. Single micro short. My price is 29,580.
Nice entry. Holy. Top tick that 5 minute.
I got 30 points locked in for a profit, so all right, made 130 bucks there.
Nice.
I don't mind those single micro trades.
And I just took along 73 bucks.
Love it
Opposite
when we do
directions,
that.
making money.
You know what? That all in how you manage it.
It's like I hear that you get stopped out, and I'm like, okay, that's my time to get entry. Back up to the VWAP here.
All right, I think I'm going to wait for a little while, let this shake out a bit more.
I'm back in the long here.
All right.
You're gonna take that there. $41, one micro there. 20 point scalp on that break of the VWAP there. I just felt like we're, if we're gonna be bearish, I think we need to push sort of back to at least the, the opening candle high area, and then sort of roll over back to the POC, naked point of control below, and we have that 1 hour bullish fair value gap below.
We still have 4 minutes until opening range is set.
Yeah, and I've taken
But
3
we're in the
trades.
third 5-minute candle, and it's sitting just above VWAP, New York VWAP.
Looks like we have about 17 people watching this morning. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a good morning and slept well. Got to run through your checklist in the morning. Make sure you slept well, you feel good, check your mental capital. Keep the size down. Make lots of money with 1 micro here. I've been drinking my electrolytes and creatine every morning. Helps with brain function. Jonathan, hey.
I should start doing that. See if I can get my brain to actually function.
Jonathan just did a $5 super chat and he said 3K live. So obviously you locked in 3K on that? Wow. Is that a live account you're talking about? Must be. Thank you for the support. Thank you.
Got my long in here. And break even +2. Took me out.
I totally get why you're putting your stop in there right away though, because it's kind of
oh yeah, I'm not.
It might just rocket up all the way up to the 660s here again, but
well, that's what I'm looking at Bookmap right now. There are those orders at 30,000. There's orders at 29,875. There are a ton of orders just going all the way up, and I'm getting a bunch of buy volume balls here. They aren't helping me much, but if I'm making $10 at a time and I do that, 30 or 40 times, it'll be all right.
Yeah.
Back in this long, right at VWAP.
Nice. Let's go.
Got my 2 points on that one. I'm going to be doing this a lot today, I think.
I think we have to stay flat here for a few minutes. We're right at the we have our opening range, 15-minute opening range set. I just had one of those weird bonk noises. You know, from
Really?
Trade of 8. Donk. What the hell? But I
You
have
in
no
a trade that you
Nope.
left on, maybe?
I just went through all my accounts. They're all flat, and none of them are dead. That's so weird. I hate when that happens. Yeah, they're all good. So I don't know why that would happen.
I got nothing
No
for
idea.
you.
No idea.
I got nothing here, man.
Yeah.
Below VWAP, going through that first deviation band.
I think I'm going to move over to an eval for now, since I'm feeling the same way as you. I kind of want to take a trade here down to the POC, but I'm going to have to wait for some sort of entry here. Let's see which account. This one. 36.
Yeah, I can't get into anything right now.
I got a short here. I'm targeting the 500s. It's working a bit so far. Come on. Get down there.
I see what you did there.
Taking one off there. You risk a little bit here. Gonna put a buy one stop in profit here. See if this can't run down to that 500, that naked point of control area. Come on, go, go, go. Don't come back up here. Straight down. Straight down. All right, stopped out in the money there. 105. Yeah, you've had that before, FN Trains. Trade of 8 likes to prank you. Yeah. I do use TradingView, Puran. I got TradingView open on the side here. Or sorry, Trade of 8 on the side. But to show you guys what my trades are, I run them through TradingView. So I just have it connected, and you know I like the charting software much better on Trade of 8 or TradingView. So I literally only do my executions on Trade of 8. So I only put my orders on Trade of 8. I really have like no indicators here. See, like it's very clean. There's nothing on Trade of 8. It's literally just where I put my orders. But I like to watch it on here because this is where I have all my indicators, and I like my chart. I like TradingView's charting software much better. You're flat for now, but still bearish. You're gonna wait for the 30-minute orb. Yeah, it's probably a good idea because this orb is looking pretty tight. So is that a double break trade right there? I guess so, hey? Or no, sorry, I'm on the 3-minute here, so 5-minute. We didn't break the high side yet, so it's possible we do that today. I don't know. ASFX guys do that trade, right?
Yeah, I think that's their bread and butter. It's the double break.
So the 500s would have worked there, but I took profits. And they tapped the naked point of control, so I'm going to get rid of that level now. That one's gone, though. 474. 29, 474. I don't know about you guys, but I really like TradingView for charting, and I hate Trade-Evate for charting.
Oh, Trade-Evate for charting is horrible.
Like, I'm surprised. It's been such a long-standing platform. I'm surprised they haven't, made it better.
It is responsive with your entries and exits,
but totally. So I feel like our next target is going to be 350s. I know that's pretty far, but that's a 1 hour bullish fair value gap below, and it kind of coincides with some lows that we had on, what day was this? July 2nd. July 2nd lows tapped into this fair value gap, so could target maybe 350 to be conservative, or 360 maybe. So I'd like to see sort of another push back to the VWAP area with a rejection, and then potential short down to there. It's kind of like a 85 point TP with about a 60 point stop if we can get back to the VWAP. Sorry, 174 point with a 70 point stop. Sounds like a 1 micro trade. All the orders below right now. We had them at 500, 487, 475. More came on at 475 after we did that little bounce. Then we had some at 450, 437, 425, now 400. Skeletor got a Starbucks short. $10.
Ah, got it.
Yeah, a Starbucks short. So it's enough to go buy a coffee. Come on, give us a bounce here. I need to get in. Are you in a trade right now, Nick?
Oh yeah, I'm in an NQ short right now.
Oh, very nice. This market's horrible. LOL, Lone Wolf.
Horrible.
Orville? Or Oralville?
Going back to Oralville? What's going on here? Bunch of freaking weirdos.
Why isn't it showing a fair value gap here? I don't get that. Oh, there we go. It was just slow to load it. I'm like, what's going on here? Maybe that's going to be the trade actually right there. Two to one risk to reward here. If this candle closes down here, which it is, we get a bounce. We get a sort of 500 area short, targeting the 367. Maybe we're not going to get it. Come on, bounce it up here. I'm going to wait to see what happens with the 500s before I enter, though. I'll try to get into it as soon as we look like we're finding some weakness there.
The short's working out for me, but we are down at that second deviation band. So I'm kind of do I stay or do I go now? Do you have
Lone
30
Wolf,
points?
Sorry, go ahead.
I got 30 points locked in.
Nice. Lone Wolf ended the day yesterday plus 60 after being red, or plus 160 after being red. Nice job. FN Trades, dude,
awesome.
My Roth is up almost 25% year to date. Let's go dividend funds. Nice.
That's awesome.
So we had in the poll, we had 6 votes, 83% bullish, 17% bearish. But so far, we're looking bearish only. Didn't quite get to the fair value gap there.
You know what? I'm getting a little antsy here.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Sounds good, buddy. Come on, Bears. Need a little more push down here. Not a push up. Yeah, Zara, I agree. Keep going, MNQ. I mean, I hope you're saying down, not up. Come on, Bears. You showed your hand already. Just need a little more continuation here. Okay, I took that, guys. I actually got out of there because I hit my $150 target on Lucid Funded Flex account. So I just want to lock that in. You got to get 550 days on those. So I got 163 in that account. My other account already has the 5 days, so I'm not worried about trying to force it. I'm only at 140 in that account, so I'll leave that one alone. I got 100 and so all of my Lucid accounts are up 140, 108, and 163 there. Take profit trader 72. Top one futures 209. Running out of accounts to trade here, so this is a good thing. 105 in that top one futures, 240 in that one. I guess I can go back to that eval. Hope so, FN trades. Hope so. Just got to keep grinding it like this. Got to break the streak. Wondering if this trade can play out again. If we get another bounce here, I'll probably take
like
it in.
bouncing?
Yeah, I do. I took a short in this 5-minute bearish fair value gap that we printed, and got my other Lucid account to the Lucid Flex account over the 150 mark. Yeah, FN trades. That's kind of like the hardest part is when you're copy trading. Like those losses get so amplified if in your mind, you know, like even if it's like, oh, it's a $50 loss times 5, that's 250 bucks, right? You're like, Jesus, man. So it's definitely hard mentally when you're copy trading lots of accounts to let it go, you know?
Yeah, that's like the day I lost 20 grand.
Yeah. And then if you start getting into that mode where you're like, okay, well, that was only a $50 loss, but then, oh, I'll be able to get that back, no problem. And then it's another $50 loss, and then it's like, well, now I got to make 100 back. It's like that whole cycle, which
and it
we
never
obviously
works.
all try to avoid, but it just occasionally gets us.
But we've all done it.
Yeah. Well, I mean, then there's days where you make 50 and make 50 and make 50. So that's why you're like, well, the next trade probably I should be able to make 50 bucks.
It'll
back,
work out.
right?
It'll work out.
So we didn't quite tap into that fair value gap very much there on this candle, but it looks like it wants to go down to the lows now. We do have orders down at 400. We had some down at 370. It looks like some of them came off. And then a bunch down at 332. We got 79.80 contracts down there. All right, Dave, I'm up a total from pre-market and New York. $48 on my account. See you guys later. Hey, you're green though. $50 is $50, man. Good for you. Have a great day. I'm assuming he's on to work. Nick's got a couple Starbucks trades this morning, so you could go buy a couple Starbucks. So before you're a good one there.
Those, if only there was a Starbucks anywhere near me.
Yeah, well, I'm sure there's better options, anyways, right? Local stuff.
Yeah. Drink local.
Those plus two stop loss winners.
Yep. That's all I got for today. I wish I would have just gone short pre-market and held it, but I didn't. So, que sera, sera.
What time did you start this morning?
7:30.
Okay. So I've been just setting the time to 7:15, but I figured it's close enough because sometimes you're a little bit earlier too, right? So
occasionally.
Or do you think I should just put it at 7:30?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I don't think it's going to make a difference. Generally speaking, I'm opening it up at around 7:30. If I happen to wake up at 3:30 instead of 4, I may start a little bit early.
Gotcha. I noticed it. I saw Joanne in your chat, but I haven't seen her in the open stream. Is she heading to work, or I haven't seen her? Like, she hasn't popped into our New York sessions for a while. No comments, anyways.
She's lurking in the background, just stalking you. So I just added another micro into my NQ short.
Nice.
Locked in 10 points.
Come on, let's get that move down here. Those orders at 400 there. Hey, Kyle, she's morning. FN trades, do you guys think it's a good eval trading mentality to think, oh, it's not real money, so no worries if I lose? Well, no. But at least in some sense, you do have this feeling of less pressure on those accounts. So typically you're going to do a little bit better just because the cost is usually lower, and but I wouldn't treat it like try not to treat it like that. Just makes it sound like you're just gambling it, you know what I mean, if you feel like that. So you definitely need to give it some weight. Like, it costs you money. So
you have to remember, you pay for those evals, so there is real money involved. And granted, the amount that you're paying for them is a lot less than what you are able to lose on them. You're still paying real money for them.
Yeah. Well, looks like I missed the trade there.
All right. Well, this one's a big Starbucks trade.
Yeah. Starbucks for the week trade.
No, I haven't made 10 grand on this yet. Come on.
Look at all these orders below. Wow. Man, I wish I would have just held that short from earlier. That went all the way to TP there on that idea. But I'm just like, once I see 150 in those flex accounts, I'm just want to take it.
I mean, I don't blame you.
And they don't have much buffer in those accounts yet either. So like one's up at 370 and the other one's up 500. So
yeah, right now I'm trading, I just switched it over to a different strategy. So I'm trading 3 cash accounts.
okay, nice.
And this one, I'm currently up 485. Started off with 1 micro on those pullbacks. Each one I added a single micro.
That's so weird. Sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I was just gonna say for some reason I can't move the StreamYard's music. Like I can't scroll down. It's not scrolling at all. Look at that push. Wow. Ripping down.
Locked in 250.
Very nice. I think I need to refresh it. Maybe that'll help.
All right, I'm locking in 500 now. Leave my stop right there. Locked in 500 on this.
Okay, it's working now, finally.
Hooray!
Hooray!
I do have my finger on the exit button, so. Still got a bunch of sell volume balls coming up on the book map. Does seem to be slowing down here though. Was real happy about the breakthrough of 400, and now I'm waiting for a break down below 300. Last candle wick down to 305. This is one of those trades where I'm going to say the same thing I always say. I don't see a reason for me to get out of it yet.
Yeah. Yes, 3 deviations from the VWAP. Wayne? I did grab a quick long here with 3 micros. Well, 3 micros left now. See if we can't get a little more pop here.
Yeah, I just took my profits on that one.
Stops in the money, and I'm out. I'm wondering if this is going to be the reversal point. This is that 1 hour bullish fair value gap, but I don't think we swept those lows from the other day yet, did we? Yeah, we did. Those were 329 was the low there, so we definitely swept those lows. So if this could be, not financial advice, but this could be the turning point area, we might play around down here for a little bit first. But
does seem like we got a little bit of support right here, but we got 371 orders down at 300. Back in another short.
nice. FN trades, how much payout am I looking for on Lucid? Max 2K per 50K account? Maybe not. I think I'll be, once I'm nicely above the buffer, I'll reassess, but it would be nice to get the 2K, but I won't be trying to force it or anything. I would like to at least get between 1 and 1,000 or 1,500. But you got to keep in mind, you can only take 50% of your profits in those accounts, up to 2%, up to 2,000. So, so if you think about it like that, say you want to leave 2,000 buffer in your account, you got to make like $4,000 on top of that. So you got to be at 56,000 to take out a 2,000 withdrawal. So
which accounts are those?
The Lucid Flex accounts. Pretty sure you can only take like 50% of your profits up to a maximum of 2,000. So I guess you need to have 4,000 then. Yeah, sorry, 4,000 profit to take out 2,000, because then you can leave your 2,000 buffer. So I guess if you want to take out 2,000, you need to have 54,100, and you can withdraw 2,000, which would put you at 52,100. You can leave your full buffer in there. Because I was just reading the rules, and it says max has to be 50% of your profits up to 1,000 for the max payout. Heading down to the 300s here. 400 and
What I want to see.
418 contracts there.
Got to remember to breathe here. And I'm out. All right.
Nice trade. Beautiful. Those were in your 3 cash accounts.
Yep.
Money in the pocket.
And how? Oh, CBD on MNQ right now is negative 10,000.
So you know how I have like a farm stand out front with where we sell our eggs?
Yeah.
I'm got a poster made to promote my real estate business at the farm stand. And then I also got 500 flyers made. They're gonna get sent out via Canada Post.
Wow, these shorts are really working out for me.
Yeah. Are you back in?
Yep.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, I got back in at 318.50.
FN trades. Yeah, my math. Yeah, I did my math wrong the first payout. I didn't make sense to me, but my drawdown went from 2,000 to 500 after I took a 500 payout. Lesson learned. 2,000 minus 500. There should still be 1,500 payout or 1,500 buffer though. Make the trend your amigo, right, Lafta?
How do you say the trend is your friend in Spanish? Damn. You know what?
Yeah.
I'm not moving my stop down right now. I'm just letting this go for a while because holy shit.
Yeah. Well, there's another target. I mean, if we look back a little bit further on the days, we do have a target sort of 29,160, 29,200 to the downside there.
All right. So I'm looking, well, I'm trading cash accounts right now, no prop, so I don't need to worry about the trailing drawdown. And I locked in about 20 bucks in profit.
Nice.
I've got a single micro in now. I closed out my previous 3 shorts for a bit of profit and closed them out at key levels.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not thinking this is going to launch back up within the next few minutes, so I'm just leaving my stop loss at the plus 20 bucks, and if it comes back there, I make 20 bucks. If this continues, then I may make a little more.
just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 round, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, and we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up.
FN trades. No, I haven't been following the Chinese or Korean stocks, but you're saying it's not looking good for them. Yeah.
Another chart.
Yeah, this evening we have the Korean account balances report. I think that's like 10 p.m. New York time.
We will test last month low, you guess? Yeah. This is seeming a lot like a prophecy of Iguana Armageddon. Yeah. Did you hear that song in the Discord there?
Iguana Armageddon? No, I haven't.
Yeah, he made a new one for you. Iguana Armageddon. It's pretty catchy sounding.
I will check that out. It was nice getting back here and seeing my friendly neighborhood iguana.
No doubt.
It's funny, it ran right up to me and sat down in front of me. Thing acts like a damn puppy.
Alex, you think we're going to go all the way to 28,502? Maybe by the end of the month or something? Possibly? I told you to take it short, Clee. I told you. I said I'm gonna make the market go down for you tomorrow. You think it's this week, Alex? I mean, it is quite a move. Quite a move. Oh, is this lining up with that trend line here? Back in the channel? It is lining up with it. What the heck?
And what do you make of that?
Could be another bounce point. Yeah.
What's that?
Could be another bounce point. Yeah. It just so happens to that bullish channel that I had drawn from the 30th. Just so happens to line up right here. And we got a 1 hour bullish fair value gap right here also.
You're talking about a bounce, I'm in another short.
Yeah, I mean, there's no guarantee. It might go to the bottom of the channel. So
Yeah.
the bottom of the channel is down at sort of 29,100-ish area.
Yeah, I saw the rejection off of 328 and decided short was the way to go. Just one micro, not gonna get stupid here.
Yeah.
Boulevard of broken trend lines. That's hilarious.
Somewhere another trend line breaks.
I made 20 bucks on that one.
Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts blowing.
All right.
Let's go.
Might be the end of my day here.
While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride. NGO posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day for first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook, then comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background, maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile, NQ keeps climbing higher. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. While we're running, nobody knows. But we're still long, 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 long. No FOMO, only YOLO. No FOMO, only YOLO. JOMO, joy I'm missing out. If I miss the move, another setup's coming out. While the world got entries on the 1466 and the trade is on. Big Deflon says that VG's a fake. Them price fills one and everybody breaks.
Lots of little volume bulbs on the book map right now. On that previous, looks like probably short covers. The shorts are covering.
Top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe.
So we got back above the 300s there a little bit and then back below it. So yeah, looks like the Bears are definitely
Go in control.
trying to take control, continue with their control.
Yeah, if this drops, it'll load the 269. Oh, there it goes.
Yep.
So my short got picked up. Just locked in $30. Oh no, 15. Sorry, not 30.
No news can save this dump, at least this week. Yeah, I don't think that there's anything that they can put out to recover this sell-off, eh?
Yeah, this is a lot.
You're up 8K, Jonathan. Nice, man. Wow, dude. Thank you again for another $5 super chat. Holy smokes, man. 8K. Jesus.
That is a good day.
Very, very good.
The funny thing, he's just been scalping longs.
Just knows exactly when to buy the lows.
Insane. I don't know how he does it. All right, I'm adding one more contract to this little pullback.
They might be able to recover this if they announce the McRib is back on in the McDonald's menu.
Nice.
Very good, very good.
I like
Best
it.
best comment of the day so far.
Yeah.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures.
All right, added another one to the short.
You're slightly ashamed, but you're scalping short options. Well, don't be ashamed by that. You made 8K, Jonathan.
Why on earth would you be ashamed of that?
Scalping short makes sense, but longs, it means helping market makers. Yeah, of course.
I don't think the market makers need our help.
Right?
In fact, I'm almost positive. Unless you were throwing on some size that I can't even fathom, they don't need our help.
Right. Well, it's options for degens, LOL. Well, I mean, it seems like it's working for you today, so no complaints there, Jonathan. But maybe take your advice there and just call it a day. I mean, 8K is beautiful. Lock it in.
Yeah, an 8K day is stellar.
Alex says, don't say that. We are all part of this game. Well, Nick is trading some cash accounts, so he's really part of the game. You wish Robinhood had a lockout button? Well, just close it. Close the Robinhood page. Maybe go on to Trading View and paper trade or something. If you really need to scratch the itch, just remember you got 8K. Options are only degen if you make them degen. Yeah.
It is funny because I have heard so many people say, oh my gosh, if you trade options, you're going to lose everything. And I always kind of chuckled about it. It's like, yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, you are going to lose. Just like with every other type of trading.
Yeah. If you go in with too much size or you don't have the right strategy or whatever, the over trade options are definitely not good for that.
Let's see a breakthrough 240. Hey, there it goes. All right. Added another one into this.
Nice trade. F those people. It's usually the people that never touch anything, but they think they know everything.
That is one thing I will say. I mean, I listen to everybody when they start talking about their strategies and trading, and there are a lot of morons out there. And it seems the dumber they are, the more they want to talk to you about their strategies and the quote unquote right way to trade.
Yeah. SOXL is dumping over 22% now. Whoa. Have you ever watched those zombie races on PFM?
No.
Well, they use like a zombie instead of a duck, right? It's so funny because like your guy can be across the finish line, but then it doesn't end, and your guy like gets pulled back right before and then whoever goes across the line at the end wins. So it's kind of funny. It's like the guys already, like you can see on the screen, it's like there's somebody already crossed the finish line, but they don't win.
That's funny.
While the weekends panic. We let the winners ride. NG posting schedules every night. Mustang cream market day for first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spoof, then comes right back to me. F and trades. Yeah. Mustang trader. Market butcher. Another Sunday.
Sorry, I'm being so quiet. I'm trying to manage this short trade that I've been scaling into.
For the secret.
No worries.
STFU. The chart already told you. STFU.
I would be interested in taking a short, but I think I need a retracement here. We have a bearish fair value gap on the 3-minute chart at 322 area. That could be a potential area for an entry, but that's a ways away, so we might not ever get there. We do have 241 contracts up at 350.
Charts don't care about your feelings. VWAP talking, why you talking back?
Oh yeah, you were just talking about, you were talking about that yesterday. FN traits, SOXL dropping.
Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the instant.
Sunday night you said you are short in the S&P. I shorted yesterday at 7,600. We'll keep it at least this week. Is that that's Nick? You're asking Nick. Sunday night you said you were short in the S&P. I shorted it yesterday at 7,600. We'll keep it at least this week. Yeah, because you have that that option.
Yep.
Is yours a short option or a bullish?
I don't
Short
have an option. I'm actually holding a bullish option from for the December contracts long.
Yeah, that's what I thought. December.
Just one micro, not anything crazy.
It's like a swing trade.
Yes, it's I'm swinging it.
Swing dog. You're short 2 E minis. Whew. That's a pretty big position.
Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts.
So are we? Looks like we're getting a bit of a bounce here. Maybe we're going to get this opportunity to get in on a short.
Yeah. Mustang trader, market butcher. Deep bass. Market butcher.
Yep, just added another one.
Trade like an adult.
And I'm assuming you're in profit regardless here, right? So
Oh yeah, I wouldn't be adding in on this bounce if I wasn't.
ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, that lows, no stress, risk management, that's success. NQ moving mad, that whips too fast, one fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs,
My average entry is 29,370.
nice. Did we get a new sound effects on the stream there?
Yep. I'll be right back.
No worries. Dad duty calls.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit slap, get a roll, stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG, fill them, we press it. NQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Base hits only. Trade like an adult.
What was that? Skeletor? That was our new sound effects that we added.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Everyone said, "What was that?" He's like, "What was that?" Full set of forming. What was that? LOL. What did WTF was that? Mustangs, howler monkeys must want breakfast. Yeah, the howler monkeys are hungry.
Yep, the howler monkeys are hungry.
Feed me.
All right, is this the reversal? Nah, still not making a higher high, so I can't look at longs right now.
No. Did you get out of that short?
No, still in it.
Okay, never mind.
Still in it, still in profit. I'm going to just sit here and let this play out for a little.
Yeah.
If it does start to reverse, then I'll get out and start looking for longs. But until that point, still no reason for me to get out of this trade. We are creating lower highs, lower lows. It has not switched direction yet.
Yeah.
The only reason for me to get out of here is to take profit. So we do have some orders up above us on the book map.
Yeah, we had we're coming up on the 300s, which have been a bit of a roadblock a couple times now. And we got orders up at 312, 320, 350 above. $369 inversion, it will launch. 69 is pretty far. Alex, you're out. You seems bouncy now. Wow, Gordon got in at 220. Oh. Gordon's rich.
We got in on a long at 220.
Yeah.
And I'm out.
Attempt these 300s here again.
butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get fill real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart.
I think I am done for the day.
Locked in some nice greens. Green, 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 green.
Yeah, there's no reason for me to get greedy. I don't need to have an 8K day. If I was going to, it would have already happened. Yeah, it does look like this may be turning around here shortly.
Could be, could be. He went long at 29,267 Clee. That's a good entry also.
It's a really good entry. I'm impressed. Who got into that?
Clee.
Nice
Still
job.
having troubles at the 300s here though. They need to get above that 300 here. If they're gonna get any continuation.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress, risk management.
All right, I just put in a 2 micro long.
Too fast, one fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart.
Locked in my profit.
Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take it stops.
Me too.
Highs, liquidity sits. That lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go wild when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news.
Holy crap, did I actually just catch a reversal? That,
Cut a reversal.
What's that?
I said I think you cut a reversal too.
I never manage to catch reversals. I generally screw those up. That's why I don't do them. But this looks like it may work out. And almost equal highs on the 1 minute chart.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Yeah, all those orders are up above us on Bookmap now.
Trade like an adult. Don't move reckless. Base hits that, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold. We don't guess this.
Nope. There's 215 orders at 29,200 now.
Everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect.
Come on, buyers, let's keep going here.
We collect FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that
He was short at 29,350.
lows that we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Space hit stack, get the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress.
I'm down to 1 micro here.
You're in a long, correct?
Yes. Yeah, I've been scaling out here. I took 2 off already here on this bounce. It looks like we're still going.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Now this is going to go through the initial balance high.
Imagine that. That'd be the craziest trade ever. How many points is that from here? Let's just say 365.
You know, it's not unheard of.
Nope. Might have to wait till, you know, close to the end of the day, but it could definitely get there. Did they release that McRib again, or what? I expected long at 165, which would have been great, but market didn't quite get there, eh? Don't come back down here.
It's temporary blip.
We're having trouble getting through that 322 fair value gap.
All right. Well, I'm officially done for the day.
I got edged on that candle by so close there on my stop loss. Come on, don't stop it. Don't stop it. Don't. Save me. Save me. Come on, just flip green here for me.
Well, Dave, I've been streaming since 7:30 this morning, so I think I'm going to get the heck out of here.
Sounds good.
Thanks, everybody, for coming to play with us. I'm going to go and make myself second breakfast, like a hobbit.
Another day, another dollar.
Another $1.50. I got a raise. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, Dave.
Hey, Nick, thanks. Come on, Bulls. Hold this level, please. Please, just hold this level. You guys edged me once. Like, literally edged me. Looks by like about 1 point. There we go. No. Playing with my emotions here.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FEG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES clean.
Your stream must be buffering. He's already gone, Czar, but
Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ
Yeah,
moving,
he got the message subliminally.
breaking, it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FEG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat. No
Come on, Bulls, let's go.
we play it smart, one clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquid.
We go. There they go. Bulls are taking it here. We need a closure on this 3-minute candle above 29,326. 330 area would be beautiful. It's our first roadblock here. Looking like we're going to get it, possibly.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FEG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader.
Minute and a half here left on this candle. We really need that candle closure up there, but doesn't seem like it wants to hold this. I feel like I should probably put my stop at just below the 300s now. I don't know. I don't want to get out of this thing too early.
Yeah, market butcher.
Got mostly orders above 325, 330, 340, 350. We need a BC here, right, guys? Give us a BC. Quite a bit of resistance here at these the 20s. 25. Come on, guys. 40 seconds on this candle. Let's get a closure above the 30s. BC, yeah. Owner candle. Oh. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop up here at the just below the 300s, maybe 290 here. Probably gonna get taken out, but we have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap at the 330s, which seems to be resistance here. Still 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candle, but we keep getting resistance up at the 330s here. If it comes to 160 or 180, I'll look for another scalp or done for the day. That's good thinking there, Sat. Definitely keep it tight. And don't need to jump into any trade that's not in your strategy, right? So, good for you. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. Come on, Bulls, hold the threes here. Need them to hold the 300s now. Charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah,
that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm, cause one wrong move and it's market butcher live. We're not here to gamble, we here to survive. I don't need a home
We need a BC here right now. Right now. Yes, do it. Cleve, we need one of these right now.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you.
Let's go. No. Come on. That 3 minute didn't close up there, did it? 18 seconds here. 12, 10 seconds. Come on. Pop it up. Pop it up. Oh, we didn't get it. That's too bad. But that's okay. We still got it on the 15 here. Let's see if we get a closure above. Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run. I just need a base hit. Small size gang. Yeah, we staying. I'm locking in a little bit more here at the 300s. Looks like it's probably going to come stop me out right now, but my entry is 265, so 36 points in profit on this last micro. And I'm up almost 900 in this account right now. Over 900 currently with this price. So 5 more minutes here if we're going to get this 15-minute inversion. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Here we go. Come on. BC, BC. Target the VWAP sort of 390, 394. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run. I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't come on. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, you know what I mean. We're sitting pretty though. Be right back. Need phone already hit the like button. Hey, Tim T Dog. Won't let me hit it twice. Should let me if I leave it and come back. Tim, what? I don't recognize this name. Is it? Did you change your handle? Hey, look at that. We got 21 people in YouTube right now, 22 people in YouTube, and 10 people in X. We got 32 people watching this morning. Oh my God, guys. The stream is getting busy. You guys believe it? Can you believe it? No more short now. It's grinding. Yeah, it's grinding. Let's see. We got to get through those 50s, though. We got 2.5 minutes here on this 15-minute candle. We really need to close above the 335, 340 area. We're gonna, sort of solidify the longs here. Remember us when you get famous, Butcher. Oh yeah, don't worry, bro. Of course I will. Of course, I'll never forget you guys. Never. There we go. Come on, get a closure up here. We got 2 minutes now. As long as we can get a closure around the 350s on this 15-minute candle, it'll be good. Remember the little people. I'll remember you guys. No worries. Will not forget. 100 YouTube viewers, and I will post OnlyFans link. Haha. Well, does that count for the evening streams? Because we do get 100 on the evening streams. Sunday night we get 100. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. I didn't think you would have one, but we can all dream, right?
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value.
Okay, 1 minute left here. Come on, guys. Hold this level here. Nice little pop here. We're getting that BC, guys. So keep an eye out here for the 400s. Is kind of our next area. Don't pull back here, guys. You got 49 seconds to hold this 15-minute gap. Come on, buyers. Hold that gap. Hold that gap. Hey, Dad. Good morning. Your OnlyFans be like BC content in real life? Oh, no, guys. Don't do it. Seriously? We really need this 13 seconds. Come on, get us back up above the 40s. Get up to the 40s here. Come on. Oh, we're going to get stopped out here. Damn. Taking it. Trying to take it. Come out there, guys. I don't know. We might still go higher here, but once I see that we didn't invert it, we really had a great chance to invert that 15-minute. We're probably going to pull down here a bit deeper. So I ended up, I'm up 900 now in that account. It's very nice. Just be careful here, guys. Looks like this could turn bearish on us now. Or maybe it's just going to chop in this range for a while. But just keep an eye out. That diamond in the daily is brutal. Is that what we're in right now? The diamond in the daily? Yeah, you were talking about that before, right? It's like a baseball diamond. We have a 1 hour fair value gap way down there too. Yeah, we do. Look at that one. There's another one down here. You only have 307 to go to pass the 25K. Can't do it today or I would mess up consistency. Up 420. Nice job, Lone Wolf. This girl needs a coffee. Have a fabulous day. You too, Clee. Have a great day. Thanks for hanging out. There's always tomorrow. Hey, Lone Wolf. You got this. Slow and steady base hits here. I'm drinking my coffee right now. in my Starbucks cup.
Kick me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open. Let's get this. I don't need a home run. I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits.
Yeah, all my accounts are green at the moment, pretty much.
We'll take that.
280, 280, 914, 209, 7250, 140, 108, 163.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits.
You're shorting this?
Let's trade. Yeah.
They might be just doing a retest on the channel here.
We're not here to gamble. We here to
Pretty strong bearish candle though. Strong closure there, down back below the 280.
So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that.
Congratulations, O Lone Wolf. Hang in there, slow and steady. Try to slow down on those on that last 300, but you can do it. You can do it. Nice big day today though, up 420. Wow, that's crazy. That's a solid winner. I went into a little drawdown, but the short at 315 paid off. Nice. Very nice. I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned. You had to deal with a little pain on that one, hey Jonathan? Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. I was in three. I got in 3 long there at what is it? 89. Took 2 off already. Have 1 runner. Left it break even. Might get stopped out here. Trying to leave one on so we can see if we can't get a little more profit out of this. It's gonna stop me out here. Maybe not. Yeah, rough up out there. So 89 to 11. So 22, so that's 40, 80. So I basically made 80 bucks on that trade.
Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live.
We still haven't tested the VWAP here, which I feel like if the shorts are going to continue, they need to pop it up there. So badly ready for at least 50-point dump. Yeah, first line of defense is going to be getting below the 250s here, and then I could definitely see us happening. Maybe we're going to head all the way down to 29,000 flat. Oh, 8:24 my time. Ugh. These morning streams hard for me to keep the energy up.
Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
Hey, we still got 31 people watching, so it looks like about 21 in YouTube
Don't care who you think you are.
and 10 in X. Wish some of those people on X would make a comment once in a while. And like the I don't even know if you can like the stream on X. I don't know how that works, but so I don't know. You guys probably know this too, but quite often after we get these big moves like this, we just kind of go sideways after that. We didn't invert that, did we? No, not yet. So we're in this bullish fair value gap. We got 30 minutes left on this candle, so keep an eye on this, guys. If we do get a closure at the hourly below 250, I would say, maybe look at 29,000 for the next target, and potentially all the way down to 28,800. Horse Fed, hey, morning. You just waking up? You traded Asia, now sitting on your hands? All right, Randall. Yeah, I'm kind of out of accounts to trade now. I just don't really want to risk giving back any profits. I got money basically in all my funded accounts a little bit. And then I've also put in, like we got 900 in one of my 370 in one of my evals and 914 in my other eval. So recently developed a 1-minute chart MNQ scalp bot with a 98 per contract profit target and a 67 stop loss that has 58% profitability. Bots scare me, but I turned it on while I was at the gym, made 102 bucks. Nice. Really? That's pretty sweet. and making money while you're away from the chart, I should probably try to make a bot too and just like have one evaluation account for it and just like let it trade the evaluation, and then, you know, if it passes it, then let it trade the funded account. Yeah, this could be chop zone right where we are right now, so probably smart to sort of stay out right now until we see some sort of movement.
The market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design.
I was expecting to come back and see $100 loss. That's been my experience with bots. Oh, interesting. You know, if obviously, so it's on MNQ, and you know, like a $62, $67 stop loss, that's pretty tight, right? So, you know, NQ can easily retrace that, you know, even with one micro, 30 points, right? Basically 33 points or something. Still do next days. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really know? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Wix looking great on 30-minute chart. Let's see. Oh yeah, pretty solid Wix there, hey? Just got a fresh new candle starting.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind.
These are a combination of RSI and stochastics combined with close above moving average on the 1 minute, coupled with current daily trend. Wow. Okay. That's very nice.
Trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that.
Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand, ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits.
That's why I can get stopped. Okay, tight stop. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I find the idea of like bots pretty interesting, but it's kind of like it just doesn't have the intuition or the the discretion that we have as traders, right? Where we might see something where we're like, oh damn, we should get out of this trade. It's pretty hard for you to code in that type of discretion, like if it rejects at a certain level or whatever, it's probably just going to leave the stop in where it is and the take profit in where it is. I mean, I guess you could sort of like get it to go break even at a certain price or something, but
I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand, ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base.
Getting a little pop here, guys.
Truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease.
Kind of looks like we got a bit of a flag forming here, or a channel.
In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease.
Usually the more code you add, the worse the bot gets. Gotcha. Yeah. That's what I mean. It's kind of like hard to. There's so many nuances, right, within the code for sure.
Some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out.
Oh, guys.
Kill zones here, sessions there.
Hey, we got 31 people still watching. 18 people YouTube, 12 in X now. We got a couple more in X. That's why management positions at companies will be the last to go. You can get a bot to take the trade, but most likely not to manage the best decisions, depending on the situation. Risk management. Yeah, for sure, right? Maybe sometime they can like have sort of like an AI bot that can really like manage the trade as it's going. Like if it's constantly taking in the data and like reassessing the trade continuously, maybe eventually they can get to that point where it's like becomes better than us, better than like the best traders in the world. I mean, not us. we are decent traders trying to make a buck, you know.
Full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula.
You guys think that this is actually a bullish, like a bearish channel right now? If we did this, now that I'm looking at it again, this kind of almost looks better.
Everybody got a story, but the market, it don't care who you think you are.
Lots of orders below 250, 237, 225, 212, 200. The problem is AI can't see charts. You have to give them detailed prompts or they can't get it right. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm saying though, is it would be pretty cool if it could like literally like be part of the chart, you know what I mean? Like be part of the chart and like constantly get all the live data exactly.
Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back.
Nice, 52 points in the short. Beautiful. Nice trade.
I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah. I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there. But my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand.
All right, just locked in a small winner there, 35, 45, 50 bucks on 2 micros. Went in 1 micro down at the bottom and added it. I was on the wrong account here. This guy right here. Just not trusting the price too much here, so just wanted to get in and out. This could roll over here still.
No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold.
You were waiting over 18 minutes. Nice patience there.
Keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they 100 stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my
Butcher, do you take into consideration the percentage change on the day? NQ down over 2%, but does that matter to you going long and short? No, I don't really pay attention to percentages. I just trade sort of what I'm seeing on the chart, you know? The semis are already down a lot today. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really, those numbers don't really make a difference to me. I just rather trade what I'm looking at on the chart. So if we're, you know, like I'm more concerned about us being in this bullish fair value gap here than, you know, anything else. It's like about percentages on the day. Jeez, I should have held that thing. Hey, damn it. Look, I didn't expect it to pump that much. I thought this was going to be like a little bounce before we roll over a bit, but looks like we're just ripping here. Jesus.
Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control.
What a little pump there. Maybe we're gonna not make it much more high though. We'll have to see. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they 100 stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I Wicks be wicking. Didn't you say that about the 30-minute chart? Nice job there on that 30-minute call out. Beautiful.
Sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you,
Wicks be wicking. I like it. Got 12 minutes here on this 1 hour. So again, this beautiful at the 300s here, holding nicely. We do have that 15-minute bearish fair value gap above here. Looks like we're finally going to invert this guy.
traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah,
I just don't know what to trade, which account. I don't want to turn any of these greens into reds.
No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
Just be aware at this 400 here, guys.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time.
Is that it? Is that the last? The end of it there?
Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to mend
I need to use the bathroom, guys. I'll be right back. My apologies. We got 10 minutes left on this candle.
Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah, everybody got a system. Everybody got a story, but the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to mend this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. That VG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. That VG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts.
Looks like we might get the short opportunity here.
Let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. VG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story. Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them
You held your long over an hour. Finally hit my TP. Nice. Good job, Angia. Killer.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits. Let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah.
Nice patience.
Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. While the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they
You're sweating it for a bit though. Turns out it sold too early. Per usual. All green though. Nice. That's good.
If you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too
Well,
many stuck in
I don't know if this is no, I don't stream Monday. It's Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You're doing 0-day calls now? 543 attack VWAP in progress. You're thinking we're gonna go to the overnight VWAP, eh? I mean, we're looking pretty freaking strong at the moment here. We are looking strong.
Stories I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula.
just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
Is it bad to skip an entry that has your criteria but just felt like it wasn't? Of course, it's not a bad idea. That's where the that intuition we were talking about comes into, right?
Yeah.
Of course, that's definitely not a bad thing. Intuition or discretion, however you want to
But the market,
consider it, right?
you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase
I will try to short around 460s.
I just stack base hits.
That's not a bad area for sure.
Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you.
So we got orders above 440, 450, some down at 412 and 400.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law.
Buyer's looking pretty strong at the moment though here.
Kill zones here.
Kind of want to try to short this guy, but
Like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity,
a little scary.
get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that.
A little bit scary.
Trust the plate. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. If it works,
I think we gotta wait see if we can get a closure below, back below 400 before I'm gonna feel that confident to try to short this. So something like that maybe.
system gon' make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind.
You close both your longs, see money take it.
When I see no fairy tales, just risk I control.
Nice job, nice job.
I trade my own.
You had 2 longs?
No shortcuts, no magic formula.
What do you seeing, Ty, that's at 460 though for the entry? Like 460. Are you looking at like an EMA or something here? Is that kind of your thought process there? There's some resistance around 440, 450 area.
Yeah,
Okay.
everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market.
Yeah, it looks like we got a little bit of some candle wicks back there in the 460 on this previous day.
Sell dreams and them candles say it's all control.
456, 460.
Really know.
Okay, you're looking at the EMA. Gotcha. Because we do have the, I think this is a 14 EMA there.
Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. Every G feel I move.
Or the 21 EMA, sorry.
Fairy tales, just risk I
The 9 and the 21.
full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all.
Looks like 450 was a decent entry right there.
I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't
Bookmap is pretty dark above still. We do have 133 contracts at 500 though, guys. So keep an eye out for that.
saying it, so I keep it simple.
Which is
One clean trade, I
that's a +1 standard deviation.
I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that.
Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at
Is that the end of the move for the buyers there? Looks like it. Hey guys, what the heck? I thought we were looking more bullish than that.
No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own
21
story.
EMA. Gotcha.
Yeah. Everybody
Missed
got
it by a
a
nickel. Yeah, so close.
Everybody got a story. But the market,
Nice 60-point pullback there.
you don't care who you think you are.
How many contracts were you considering doing there? Just out of curiosity.
Smart money this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my
So where's a 5 minute? This is a 9 candle. 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. or noon. So we can put a lunchbox VWAP on here. Turn those off and go with orange. 2 micros, nice. Just be careful here because not really sure if the shorts, like the bulls could just be taking this over, right? We did get above the VWAP, so technically should probably be looking for longs, although we're still below the overnight VWAP, which has kind of been resistance since all the way up there, right? Like we tapped it there, we almost tapped it there, we almost tapped it there, and then just went lower here. These 1 hour fair value gaps have definitely been working. You would have had to been real patient in this area, obviously. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 50. A little over an hour of playing around down here. But you know what, guys? I feel like I should just get away from the desk here. I'm green across pretty much every account. I just feel like if I take any more trades, I might get in on the wrong side here. So I kind of want to just lock it in for the day and move on until we do have a stream tonight at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm just going to update my dashboard real quick and see how we did on the day. So I ended up locking in $1,000 yesterday, and then we're up 418 today. So almost 1,100 yesterday and 400 today. So having a pretty decent week. But started off the month pretty bad with a negative 734, then made 1,000 the next day, 220 on the Sunday, 109 and 418. Now these are all my funded accounts, so it's not keeping track of my 2 top 1 future 100K evals. So those 2 guys, I've basically since the start of the month there, I'm up 2,400 basically in this guy, I do have one more, don't I? Yeah, I have one more. Sorry. And 3,442. So these guys have a 6,000 profit target. No consistency on the evaluation, but then they have that big activation fee, which I'm not looking forward to it. So yeah, it's annoying when I decide to stop trading for the day and then see price do exactly what I wanted to do. Missed out. The market will always be there tomorrow. Yeah, try not to, just don't look back, right? Don't look until tomorrow. Ignore the charts for the rest of the day, right? But yeah, thanks guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out as per usual. Getting a big push right now, but activation fee on those guys are pretty expensive. They're the 100K elite access, so they're 259. So I'm looking at basically 300 total per account for the 100Ks. But if you go instant funded, even with 40% off, it's $500 here. So you're saving, what is it, $100? And you get the buy one get one free. So actually, no, it's only $40 because I paid $40 for 2 accounts. So it's going to be $280 per account to get it funded. But yeah, it's pretty pricey. So big activation fees on those ones, but they have that buy one get one free deal. So it's kind of like I got 2 100Ks for $40. But yeah, thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Jonathan, if you're still here, thanks, bro. All the super chats, blessing the channel, keeping the dream alive. We can eventually maybe be just a full-time YouTuber and trader. That would be amazing. Gonna keep grinding away here every day with you guys, hopefully to get to that point. So I appreciate you for those super chats. Jonathan, Angia, Sai 143, Cool, Lone Wolf, FN Trade, Skeletor, Gordon Gecko, Czar Trader, Alex Hallen, Mick Riker, Jerry Trades Futures, Lafta, Wayne, Clee Torres, Trade Green Candles, Tim T Dog, Chris, Randall Paul, Force Fed, The Hawk Flies, my dad, Ingli Sai, and Tris. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys being here. You guys rock. And we'll be live again tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you guys come hang out. We'll be doing a couple more duck races for that. I've been trying to think about the extra ducks, guys, and at some point I think I need to reset it because it kind of becomes a little bit unfair for some of the other newer people. So maybe what we'll do is, I think I want to try to get a similar way to do the giveaway as they do on Prop Firm Match, where you guys got like a limited amount of time to like go to the Discord and enter, a code or something like that. I'm probably going to do a little research to see if we can figure that out, but we'll keep it for now the way it is, at least for the rest of the month. I do like being able to collect emails to build a email list. So when I ever get around to doing that freaking 50K giveaway, you guys will all get emails to remind you to enter on that. So I should maybe I'll do that tomorrow because I won't be having an evening stream. So tomorrow night, I'll probably get that thing going. We'll send it out. So you guys could get a chance at the 50K Lucid Pro. I think I got the Pro. Is it a Pro? I think so. I was just taking a look at, so they got the Lucid Pro Motion deal right now. So if you go with the Lucid Pro accounts, there's 40% off. It's limited, unlimited uses of 40% off, no daily loss limit. You can pass the eval in 1 day, request payouts after 3 days, code Butcher, and looks like it's valid until the 24th. So you got some time on that. See this guy right here. For new and reset Lucid Pro accounts, no daily loss limit, unlimited uses of 40% off, pass evals in 1 day, request payouts after 3 days, code Butcher, until July 24th at midnight. Yeah, that's Motion. And those pro accounts are pretty solid. They're not, they do have a consistency score, but I think the consistency score is pretty decent on those ones, right? I think, what is it, 40%? Lucid Pro funded, yeah, 40% consistency, which is pretty awesome. If it's a 20% consistency, it's like 600, so you can do 1,200 in a day on a 50K account, which is mucho bueno. 非常好. But yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. See you guys tonight for the stream at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's do it. We'll see you then. Thanks. Love you guys.
Sunday in the books. Base hit secured. Stops respected. Boner candles printed.
I didn't know that, FN Trades. Crazy. Later, Skater. After a while, Crocodile. Yeah, we might need to just reset the extra duck races at extra ducks after, after a certain length of time. I could probably ask ChatGPT about that, because I've been adding them all to ChatGPT, right? So I could probably say, hey, how old are all these extra duck entries, and remove whatever ones that are like more than 4 weeks old or something like that. So, since I haven't done it yet, so what we'll do is, for sure, at the end of this month, we'll reset those ducks, the extra ducks, to sort of level the playing field.
Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Rudy acted 34 in attack mode. And Brown 81.6 ticks carrying heavy loads. XIK move while the market explodes. Randall Paul trader riding bullish roads. Daily candle trades watching every week. Erkin never next, calling every flip. Chris G6 never panic clicks. No Wi-Fi 5 thing got disciplined wrist. Skeletor 619 came out the crypt. Lilash Walker with the EVG scripts. Richard Dowdy 82 steady never slips.
Thanks so much, everybody. You guys have a great day and be safe out there. We're still looking bullish, so maybe we're going to get some rejection here off the overnight VWAP, but be careful. Okay, have a great day, guys. Peace out.